another hammock set up. The DD hammock. And who's inside the hammock? Boo! So there's Brandon set up. He's going to be the guy using the hammock tonight. Say hello, Brandon.
Hi.
You want to check out Brandon's channel? He does some cooking on YouTube. He calls it Brandon's Bakes. I'll put a link in the description. But it's a DD hammock with an inflatable mattress underneath and a DD 3x3 top, diamond formation, and that point can obviously come out and be strung up to make a roof, or we could bring it down to enclose it. But it's not really windy, it's not going to rain, well, it's not forecast, and Brandon knows that you can just jump out and quickly pick it down if needs be. Now, it's a canny little setup. It's Brandon's first night in a hammock, so if he likes it, we're going to order him one so Brandon can has his very own and come with us. But hammocking's not for everyone. We'll just have to see how it goes.
Hope to get the spring water.
What are you going to find?
Spring water.
See it again!
Spring water.
See it louder!
Spring water.
The man knows what's good.
Well, I like it here, Ashgill Woods. Camping with the family this weekend. As you can see, there's like tarp set up. There's a little campfire down there to cook on. There's a campfire down here to make a bigger fire. There's log cabins. There's a little table to put the food on, just canny. And we've got our tent set up over there somewhere. Maybe over that way. And of course Brandon's got his hammock. He's going to be trying his first hammocking ever. Are you excited for it, Brandon?
Aye.
Aye.
Proper and fully.
Proper and fully excited for it. I'm excited as well. Are you excited, Cora?
Yeah.
You've got a little hammock too.
Yeah.
You want to do a dance? Whoa. Good dancing, guys.
A ridge line way up in the trees to make a little swing for the bends and the adults. Good climbing. You wave, Cora? Do a dance? You go up one more? Go up a little bit more?
This one? No, that's it.
Good boy. And back down?
You're as big as a tree. What? You're as big as a tree. Everything hurts. No.
Look what we found in the forest. A little chicken. Can you see yourself, chicken? Is that you? Is that me? Not nice. We're going to go and try to find where you laid your eggs. Have some fresh eggs.
Hello, little dude. You're so cute. One for my school, Mum.
A picture?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Now that's what I call a poo with a view.
I want to put it on my finger. I don't think I'll be able to.
Yeehaw. See ya.
2, 3. Wow!
Oh God. Christian's out. Shall we come in? I haven't got anything that's
It is pretty cool, isn't it? So we're not the type of family to sit and enjoy a river and a waterfall. Get the shorts on and get stuck in. What's your name?
Arthur?
What do you like doing?
Football.
Football?
And
What number do you play at football?
3.
Number 3 on the back of your shirt. And you scored a goal, didn't you?
Yeah.
Good lad. Shout your name.
Arthur!
Louder.
Arthur! Arthur!
Shout it louder, like you mean it.
Arthur!
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 Woo! So Brandon's cooking tea tonight, and he's going to cook with all some pizzas. You can log on Brandon's YouTube channel. It's Brandon Bakes. And what you opening there, Brandon?
I'm opening some original wraps.
Nice. So you're going to use the wraps as a pizza base.
Yeah.
Shows your excited face. More excited. More excited. More excited.
I put the tomato puree on. Right now it looks a bit like poo.
Looks like 2.
So this one will be Dougie's. So you get your spoon and start mixing it around. Yeah, get that good. Right,
What's Brandon cooking?
Pizza!
Pizza. The sprinkles on the cheese.
Fingers and cheese. Why do you have to put that with?
okay. So once the cheese is sprinkled on, that is your pizza base and done. Now, you can put whatever you want on. Today I'm just going to go plain cheese and tomato, but yeah. Put pepperoni or put anything on. And it's so good. Put one knee down when you're going next to the fire. You put it in the pan. And we'll wait for that to be done. So, the pizza's done. First one. So, here it is. Here is the delicious pizza.
Wow.
It's looking good. Nice one, Dougie's and Tuckers. Gonna cut it in half. Bang.
Whoosh.
Alright.
It's a nice big log you got there, Keith.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It's a nice big log you got there, Kat.
Are we meant to bring logs up?
It's alright, you just don't get to sit near the fire.
I need to get the chairs anyway.
Is that half, Brandon?
What?
Is that half?
Yeah.
Way aye.
See, way I.
I did
Why
pick 'em
I?
all because I like them more. Why I?
Pizza in the forest?
Right, on to the next one.
Mmm. Brandon. That's really good.
Awesome, thanks.
Cheers.
For yourself as well. I'm gonna make one for Koa first. So, I'm boiling up some water with some nice sweet corn in, fresh from the allotment. We've been growing these for, how long would you say?
No, I need to plant them. Just in the spring.
Like about July, so around my birthday. Yeah, some sweet corn facts. What's it called? Wait, do you know when it goes really fast?
Carol, what are you doing?
I'm digging a hole
What for?
to try and make a pit oven.
Ah.
I don't know if it'll work though.
Might.
Try. I reckon this is
Oven's gone on over here.
Yeah.
And there's cooking's gone on over here.
I'm gonna go a bit.
And there's eating going on over there. And there's pizza going on over there. Harried?
This inspired me. It's a bit of fun. Usually just sort of like wing it. Varying degrees of success.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat my
That's it, that's it. Look how bright that is. Keep going, keep going, keep going, give it another one. Oh, they're wet.
It was on fire, blew it out!
Yeah, keep it strong like that. That's going to sort it. Good? That's a nice long flame, that, isn't it? Yeah. Can you blow it?
Oh yeah.
Could be dangerous, yeah. And then cabbage leaves go on top of these stones. Wow. So what do the cabbage leaves do?
I think it's supposed to like protect the food from getting charred
Right.
and like generate moisture. I think.
And your food goes on top.
Oh, I've lost the garlic. There we go.
There's tatties, potatoes, garlic in this oven. Sausages. Woo!
A bit squished sausage.
Squished sausages.
Oh, look how ashy my hands are actually. Oh no. Corn on the cob on top.
Yeah, put the corn on the cob next to the rock. Oh, we'll keep everything in. There we go.
Wow. Then more cabbage leaves.
Don't forget those carrots at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
And then you've soaked this cloth, right?
Yeah.
This is a wet cloth.
I have to keep it away from those embers though.
And cover it with soil. Whoa.
It's just perfect.
Need some new sticks over there. Cool.
uncovering the food. See what's happening in this oven.
Let's put it out here then. Put it back here.
Look, we're building a picnic floor.
That's a good idea. Who's going to be at the picnic?
I know who wants to come. Me.
Is Koa coming to the picnic?
Yeah. He's doing a picnic.
What?
See the picture?
What food are you going to bring to the picnic?
I don't know.
What food, Koa?
Only Dorian.
What food?
Grapes.
Grapes. Mmm.
A picnic?
Yeah.
He's made a den.
Yeah.
He's made a den on this tree.
Where is my tent, Daddy?
This is your tent?
Yeah.
Good lad. He's going to have a picnic.
Strawberry soup, blueberry soup,
And that?
Yeah.
And strawberries and crisps and biscuits for your picnic.
Yeah.
Good lad. Do a dance for your picnic.
Oh, look.
What is it? It's little bit of chocolate.
Yeah.
Good lad.
Wow.
Yeah, you're so good at it, Koa. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
So I'm just going to leave Brandon here for the rabbits and the chickens to eat. Maybe a fox will come along and nibble at his ankles. But he stayed here. I am fun, Brad. What are you doing?
Collecting crystals, my precious.
Crystals.
Oh, my precious.
Come on, get back. Good boy.